think it's wrong. Okay, fine. There is point A and B, right?
Yeah, A and B, and it is a straight line, so no zigzag curve. And there is A velocity, so A velocity A, and then velocity B, and then there is a middle point named C.
Where is middle point C?
In the middle of the line AB. Okay, and there is a boy walking across the line. The question says distance to AC will be X, and the distance to CB will be 2X. As the question says, time taken.
Oh, no. You told C is midpoint.
Yeah, wait. C is midpoint. Oh, how? Wait. Okay, C is not midpoint. It is closer to A than B. So let me finish explaining first then.
No, but C is midpoint. So you're wrong. Read the question again. You're on right track.
So A, B is B to A.
Hmm?
So C is middle point of B to A, not A to B.
B to A and A to B are same thing. Time taken by from A to C is twice the time taken from C to B.
That
But
means
this is
that
too
and B to no. Opposite.
Read.
Oh, okay.
And just with that, your problem is that you're not even trying. You have remained silent. Your audio problem is not without cost. You started with muting yourself and you found comfortable to do that. Earlier, you go and watch your videos. You were speaking and you started remaining silent and you developed the habit of remaining silent and became a backbencher. You're not doing well now. Seriously, you're not doing well. I'm not at all happy with your performance. Do you understand? I'm not the person who will give you any falsehood. You're not doing well. If you want to do well, you have to change your place. You have to start speaking. You have to start participating. You're not even trying. How long have I been telling you this now? How long have I been telling you? And I guarantee you will leave us in 60 days, perhaps less than that. You will yourself tell that you are not enjoying it. You will not be forced to do it. And believe me, my predictions rarely go wrong. Anyway, see here. The first and foremost thing is, listen, first and foremost thing is how to break the things. So first part is simple. A boy is moving from A to B.
With constant acceleration.
Hold on. This one. Simple one. What does it say? He's moving from A to B with constant acceleration A. That's it. Yes or no?
Yeah, yes.
Has velocity VA and VV at respectively. You have to break the sentences and write them as facts. What does this mean?
That means for A, that is velocity A and then velocity B.
VV, right? Time taken. Okay? So, you see, I'm just breaking it. I'm not doing anything. Time taken by the boy to move. Okay? From A to C. From A to C. Right? Each twice that from C to B. Do you see? Have I done anything? And Akshay, each twice, right? That of
I understand.
C to B. Right? And this is time of C to B. And time of A to C. Right? Yes or no?
Now I understand the question.
Now you understand the question. So you were not reading properly. If this part is T, this part is to T.
No, now I understood that.
Hello. C is the midpoint. So this is X, this is also X. Right? That's it.
Yeah, but it's moving at the constant acceleration. So it takes
listen. First thing first. A, B, C.
A, C, B.
This distance is x, this distance is x.
Mm.
This is VA, this is VB. This is time t, 2t, and this is time t. Anything else was given?
A constant acceleration, very important.
Constant acceleration, right?
Oh.
Here it was a, here it was a. Any question?
So constant acceleration means constant increase in speed.
So here, we don't know velocity here. Let us
Yeah.
call this VC.
VC.
So A equal to what? VC minus
VC
VA.
minus VA by VB.
What?
Okay.
Delta V by delta T.
Ah.
Acceleration equal to what?
VB minus VC by T.
Do you know, Jaswita, you have not spoken a single word?
She spoke now.
Did she?
Yeah.
Can you keep silent? I want to hear her. What would be X equal to, Jaswita?
Speed into time. So it will be. So distance is equal to speed into time. Speed into delta time.
Average speed into time. So VA plus VC by 2 into 2T. VC plus VV
VC plus
by,
VB by
2 times T. Right?
Mm.
What does it say?
Sir.
It hardly matters what we think. Right? Both are equal. Right? Right?
Yes, sir.
What we don't want.
Distance.
From this, we want the ratio of VA to VB. Right?
Yeah.
So that is, last one is also acceleration equal to VB minus VA.
VA by
What?
2T. Sorry, T.
How much?
3T.
And we have so many of them, we can use any of them and find out. 3 questions, huge number of variables, and we can find out. I'm least interested in solving this question.
You want us to understand what the question means.
I want you people to interpret. Anyway.
Interpretation.
See, this is what we have.
Oh, it's the same exact thing.
V square equal to U square plus 2S. That is what you do. They do exactly same thing. Okay? You can easily find here this one. Then you can easily get the value of V or VB, acceleration, whatever, wherever you want to put, you can put. You can also put what? 2x equal to what? You see, these two will be equal. C you have to find out. Once you have got A, you can easily put in this and in this, and you get the answer. Because only thing extra you have to remove is your VC. What is VC?
Voice call.
You have to remove that and done.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm least interested. So I'll go ahead with and try to see whether you understand second question. Read the question. These are grade 9 Olympiad questions.
2 bodies of masses M1 and M2 are brought from height H1 and H2.
Next year, Akshit, you are participating in Science Olympiad.
Sir, I participated this year.
Not that way. You are participating to win.
Okay.
Go ahead. Read it, draw it, and then explain it. And Jaswita will tell me first, and then if needed, Yeah, just go ahead. Explain.
So there are two bodies which have masses of m1 and m2.
Hold on, let me put my speaker on. I can barely hear.
So there are two bodies which have mass m1 and m2. They are dropped from height 1 and height 2 respectively. Their momentum is equal.
Did you draw it?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I'm drawing. This is our ground. I have a body M1 and it falls from H2.
Height 1.
I have another body M2 and it falls from H2.
Height 1 is greater than height 2.
And that is what I did.
Sir, and their momentum is equal.
Momentum is equal.
No, sir. Only when it hits the ground, the momentum is equal. It says
P equal to M1 V1. P2 equal to M2 V2. And P1 equal to P2. Yes.
So we need to find the ratio of kinetic energy between those two objects when they reach the ground.
What equations we can write? Any idea?
So kinetic energy is half mv square, right?
K2 equal to
Into v2 square.
V2.
Very good. What? Anything else?
Sir, m1 v1 is equal to m2 v2. Does it make any sense?
Yeah, I had written. So M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. Right. Anything else?
No, sir. That's it.
No,
What about you, Akshit?
no, nothing.
Lot of things.
Ah,
Right. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
K2.
Energy equal to what? Potential energy plus kinetic energy, right? M1 GH1 plus 0. Energy equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy, right? Because height is 0, half M1 V1 is square. Right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
Any question?
No, sir.
What about second one? Similarly,
m2 gh2
M2G H2.
plus 0.
Yeah.
And when it reaches the ground, 0 plus half m2 v2 square.
Sir, why do we need the 0?
to calculate. So what does that mean? We have M1 V1 equal to M2 V2, right? And energy does not change. So what does that mean? M1 GH1 equal to half M1 V1 square. Right.
M1 cancel.
And M2 ZH2 equal to half M2 V square. Right?
Yes.
Hello?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
That
Right.
means that GH2 is equal to 1 by 2 V square V2 is.
So V1 square equal to 2ZH1 root over. V2 square equal to 2ZH2 root.
So then it will be V1 is equal to.
Sorry, V1 equal to and V2 equal to. We already have, right? What is there? M1 V1 equal to M2 V2. Let us try. V1 is what? M1 root 2 GH1, right? Equal to M2 root 2 GH2.
2G.
Right. M1 root H1 equal to M2
Root H2.
H2. Right?
Mm.
Kinetic energy is how much? mgh1. Right? One by
Yes.
kinetic energy 2 equal to what? Half m1 v1 square by half m2
M2 V2 square.
Right? We could have done v1 square and v2 square from here. We could have easily got h1 by h2. Right?
Yes, sir.
What? Half cancelled, or because they are equal to, we can easily say mg h1 by m2g.
M2G H2.
Right?
Yeah.
Is it?
Mm.
m1 h1 equal to m2 h2. That's it. The thing is that can you collect information?
No.
If you cannot collect information, you cannot solve it. If you collect information, you can solve it. Okay? Yeah. Any question?
Yeah, it says data is inefficient.
Pardon?
One of the options is data is inefficient.
See, the thing is, can you collect information? That is important. If you can collect information, you will get it. Okay? Yes or no?
Yes.
If you cannot calculate and just without taking seriously, people who do not take me seriously ultimately find out I am right. I don't predict based on what I like or dislike.